Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with Fidelity easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Fidelity website at www.fidelity.com. Click on the Open an Account button located at the top right corner of the home page. Select the type of account you want to open, such as an individual brokerage account, retirement account, or education savings account. Fill in your personal information, including your name, address, social security number, and provide employment information, including your current employer and job title. Set up your account preferences, including how you would like to receive statements and communication. Review Fidelity's services and choose any additional features or tools you want to include in your account. Once you have filled in all necessary information, click on the Continue button to proceed. Review all the information you provided to ensure it's accurate. Agree to the terms and conditions by checking the box, then click on Submit. Wait for a confirmation email. This usually appears within a few minutes. After confirming your account via email, log into your Fidelity account using your new credentials. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard, including your account balance and investment options. To start investing, click on the Research tab to explore various offerings such as stocks, ETFs, and mutual funds. Use the search bar to find specific investments or browse categories to discover new opportunities. After selecting an investment, click on the Trade button. Specify the number of shares you wish to buy and review the order type, whether it's a market order or limit order. Confirm your order details and click on Confirm Order to complete the transaction. Monitor your investments regularly by returning to your dashboard. Utilize Fidelity's resources, including articles and webinars, to enhance your investing knowledge. Adjust your portfolio as needed based on market conditions and your financial goals. Always ensure that you're making informed decisions by continuously researching and reviewing your investment strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.